Are your iPhone photos looking weird, overprocessed, or just not as good as you expected? Well, it might not be your camera. It might be your settings. In this video, I'll show you 4 iPhone camera settings that can actually ruin your photos and what you should do instead. 2 of these you need to turn off and 2 you should turn on. Let's fix it. All right, the first setting is called mirror front camera. You'll find it in under settings, camera, mirror front camera. When this one is on, your selfies look exactly like what you see in the preview. But here's the problem. It actually flips your photo, which can make text look backward and faces slightly distorted. Next, we have prioritize faster shooting, also under settings and camera. When this setting is on, your iPhone tries to take photos as quickly as possible when you're tapping the shutter button multiple times. Sounds good, right? But there is a trade-off. Your iPhone may skip the full image processing, resulting in less sharp and less detailed photos. The third one now is lens correction. This one you should definitely turn on. You'll also find it in settings, camera. What it does is automatically fix distortion that comes from using the ultra wide or front camera lenses. For example, without lens correction, the edges of your photos might look stretched or slightly curved, especially in selfies or landscape shots. And finally, the fourth one, a newer feature called lens cleaning. Hence, you'll find it under settings, camera as well. This setting reminds you to clean your camera lenses when your iPhone detects smudges or dirt that might affect your photos. This is a small reminder, but it makes a huge difference in clarity, especially since most of us forget to wipe our lenses before taking pictures. All right, here is a quick recap. Mirror front camera off, prioritize faster shooting off, lens correction on, lens cleaning on. Adjust these 4 settings and you'll instantly notice your iPhone photos looking cleaner, sharper and more natural without using any editing apps. So there you go, 4 small settings that make a big difference in your photo quality. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments which one of these settings were you using wrong. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.